Okay, before we proceed to balance search trees, there are many ways of balancing search trees, and we will be studying the AVL tree. And before that, uh, we talked about various types of traversals of trees. And I mentioned in the passing a particular traversal, and since we have time now, I want to talk about level order traversal of a tree. Okay, we'll take any general tree. The same thing works for a binary tree too. So let's see, I have a node here. I have B, C, D, E, and let's say I have F and G like this. What is level order traversal? I want A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, start with the root. This is the output that I want. So what we essentially do is the following. We start with the root, then root has no siblings. So we put A onto the queue. The queue now. I have a queue ADT over here. I put A onto the queue. Then I go on to the next level. I look at its children. Then what do? I delete A and put B, C, D into the queue. And what is it that I'm going to output? A. Then what do? I go to the beginning of the queue again. Delete B. I have C, D, and I put the child of B, E, into the queue. And what will I output? I'll output B. Next, I delete C. I have D and E. C has no children, so I have nothing to output, nothing to put onto the queue. I put output C here. Next, what do? I'll output D. Again, delete D from the queue. And I'll put the child of D onto the queue. And I'll output D. Then what will I do? I delete E from the queue. It has no children. Then, I'm sorry, I'll put F and G over here. I delete E from the queue and I have F and G. So I'll output E over here. Then I will delete F. I'll output F and I'll delete G and the queue becomes empty. Okay. So this is what we mean by level order traversal. And what is interesting is we have used a queue of binary trees. Okay. So we'll stop here, and in today's afternoon lecture, I will show you some implementation of binary trees and also the leftmost child right sibling representation